In today's session, we will be discussing about how to write a program to count the number of vowels using regular expression in JavaScript. So this is the program. Starting with the HTML part, in the body we have first displayed the title as program to count the number of vowels. Then I have taken a form to which I have assigned a name as form1. Then we are displaying a message as enter a string. So we are reading the string from the user. For that, we are taking an input box. So input type equals to text, and to that we have given a name as str. Then we have taken a button to which we have assigned a value called check, and on clicking this particular check button, we are calling a function called vowel count. So when you will click on this button, the function of vowel count will be called, and when you go to the vowel count function, it will count the number of vowels present in that string whatever you have entered. It will search for those vowels and count for them using a regular expression, and the output will be displayed to the user using an alert box. So now let us go to how to write this vowel count function. For this, I have taken the script tag in the head part of my program. We have set the language as JavaScript, and for writing a function of vowel count, we have taken the keyword function. The name of our function is vowel count, and in that function, what we are doing is we first need to fetch whatever the user has entered in this text box. So for that, I have taken document dot, the name of my form is form1. Inside that form1, the element which I want is str, and I want its value. So I have written it as dot value. So document.form1.str.value will fetch whatever value you have entered in the text box. This I have stored in a variable called as str. Now, in order to find out the number of vowels present in the particular string, we need to use a method called as match. So whatever string you have entered in that text box, using that string or on that string, we are applying a function called as match. Now what does this match function do? To this match function, in its round brackets, we pass the parameter of the regular expression. So it will match whether this particular regular expression is found in this particular string, and whatever occurrences it finds out, it will return in the form of an array. If it does not find out any match, then it will return a null. Okay. So for the match function, we are here passing now the regular expression. Now we all know that for indicating a regular expression, it is placed between this slash. So here I have written my regular expression. Now, how do we form this regular expression? Our problem statement is we want to count the number of vowels. So we know that vowels are A, E, I, O, and U. So to match with any of these, we have to give it in a square bracket. So writing it in a square bracket indicates to the browser that this particular match function should find out the occurrences of A, E, I, O, U. So whenever it will find any of this element or any of this alphabet, it will be returning it into the array. Okay. Second thing is we want to check in the entire string. That is, if my string consists of multiple words, I want the regular expression to search for it for in the entire string. So I have used the modifier as G, which means global. That means it will search for those vowels in my entire string. And second one is it insensitive, because A, E, I, O, U, whether it is in a small case or in a capital case, I want the regular expression to count it as a vowel. Hence, I have used two modifiers over here, which are global and case insensitive. So what this match function will do, it will find out a match of A, E, I, O, U in the entire string and without case sensitiveness, and whatever matches it will find out, it will return it in this array. So finally, my array will contain all the vowels that are present in the string, and I want to display the number of vowels, that is the count of the vowels. So I'll just display the length of this array, which will be the count of it. Okay. So in this way, we will be displaying the count of the number of vowels which are present in the string. Now let us execute this program and check how do we get the output. So this is my vowels program. I will open it with my browser. So you can see that we have printed the message of program to count the number of vowels. We have entered a message as enter a string. Now here I will enter a string welcome to, or I'll say welcome member. So now you can see that this is my first vowel, this is my second vowel, this is my third vowel, this is the fourth one, and this is the fifth one. So total there are 5 vowels present. Let us check. So you can see that I'm getting the output as 5. So the count of the vowel is 5. You can just modify a message also. Instead of just displaying the length, we can display the message as the number of vowels are, and then we will concatenate it with the length. So let me save the program and we'll just go here and refresh. Good morning all. Check. So in this, let us find out whether it's really 5. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, let us increase that so that we can check. Good morning to all of you. Okay, and check. Now you can see that the number of vowels are 9. So we can say that our program is correct and we are getting the correct output. So this is how you can implement the program to count the number of vowels present in the string which is given as an input by the user by making use of regular expressions using JavaScript. Thank you.